Problem set 14th and 9th question.
Yes dear, now we are in the 14th sum of problem set here. Mr. Dinesh owns an agricultural farm at village Talvel. Okay, the length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice the breadth. So it is a farm which is given the condition. In order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square shaped pond inside the farm. Okay, firstly till here what we will do, we will draw this thing figure. What he said, he is having some rectangular type of a farm here, right? And there he has dug a what square shaped pond. तालाब जैसे square shape का किया है, किधर भी किया है तो हम इधर ही करेंगे इसके यहाँ पे जैसे square shaped form में है करके. Okay, and the side of the pond is 1/3 the breadth of the farm and all these things given a condition, and the area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. What it is given? Area of the farm. Farm is in which shape? Rectangular, and is 20 times the area of the pond. That means we want to know the area of a rectangle and we want to know the area of the pond also, because which is in square shape. Let's revise it. Area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth, and area of a square is side into side. With this we will start here. Okay dear. So firstly we will come to the this condition. The length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice its breadth. You can understand than the breadth. So let's start it. How we can take it? Let the what? Breadth of the what? It's a farm, na? Breadth of the farm be how much we are going to take? Equals to x. And the length is how much given? The length equals to, it's given 10 meter more than twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means 2x, and it's more means what is the keyword? Plus 10. Are you clear with till here? Yes. So then further what it is said, in order to harvest rain, he dug a square shaped pond inside the farm. The side of the pond is 1/3 of the what it is given? Breadth of the farm. Firstly, we got a length and breadth here. Let's find out the area of a rectangular farm with the formula. What is a rectangular farm formula? Length into breadth. So that is length is what we have 2x plus 10, and what is the breadth we have? X. So it is, we can multiply 2x into x, 2x square plus 10 into x, 10x. So this much is the square. Okay, this is the square. We will keep it for an area. Now for the what? The side of the pond. The side is how much given? They said the side of a pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm. 1/3 of the breadth. Where is our breadth? This is our breadth, na? Breadth of the farm. So that is 1/3 of x. So now can we find the area of a square pond? What is the formula we have learnt? Square pond is side into side. So we can have 1/3 x into 1/3 x. That is 1. 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. That is x square upon 9. You can hold it and square meter. So you understood? Now we have got a area of a rectangular farm also, area of a square pond also. What is the condition in final condition? That the area of the farm is, area of the farm is what? This is the area farm is, that means this equation equal to is 20 times the area of the pond here. By the given condition we will start. By the given condition, so we are writing what is this? Area of the farm. Farm is this one, 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20. Can you see? Is 20 times the area of the pond. 20 times the pond. What is a pond? 1 into x square. We'll hold it like this itself. Understood? We got the equation now here. 2x square plus 10x. Here we will multiply 20x square upon 9 is here. Okay, this 9 is here. If you want to remove this 9, you can take it in the form of cross multiply. But while taking a cross multiplication form, you have to multiply 9 for both the terms here. So 9 2x square plus 10x equal to 20x square. Right? So what do you will get it? 9 into 2, 18x square plus 90x equal to 20x square. So this x square, you can take a 18x square to the other side, minus 18x square equal to 90x. So how much you will get it? 2x square and 90x. And we can divide a x here. X equals to, what we can do? X equals this x equals to, okay, this x equals to 90x upon 2x. If you are able to understand, do it like this, nor divide x both the sides and you can do it. Okay, 245 times here you will get it here. Okay, so what you got it x as a 45 you got. Now what they have asked, find the length and breadth of the form. That means breadth of the form we got as a 45, that is x is a 45, and the length will be 2 into 45, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. And they also asked the side of the form also. What is the side of the pond here? Third is 1/3 of x, they said. Now 1 upon 3 into 45, that is 15. So you got all the answer. Once you derive x value, you can find it out all. I hope it is clear. Yeah, it's a problem set 9th question. The sum of two roots of a quadrant is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. Right, we have done such sum here, but here it has been given in problems, words, statements, and over there it's directly given. Let's find it out here. Sum of the two roots. You know our roots are, what are the two roots? Let alpha and beta are the two roots. Okay, are the roots of the equation here. Now, as we said, what is the first condition given? Alpha, sum of the two roots means what? Alpha plus beta is what? 5. And what is the second condition? Sum of their cubes. Sum of their cubes means what? Whatever we are having here, the alpha and the beta, here we have to cube it and sum it out like this. Alpha cube plus beta cube is 35. Now you know we have done, as I said, this sum has been done here. You can, for this, after this you will refer exercise 2.5 and that is a 6th question, second sum. You will complete this sum. See, this is the form we have to bring it, and we have brought it. How we have brought it? Alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube is 35. Then you can apply the identities and solve this sum here. Similarly, we have a 15th question of a problem set, right? That is also the sum, which is very similar to the sum we have done in the exercise. That is a practice set for 15th sum of the problem set. You have to refer practice set 2.6, 8th question. You can then do it very easily. Thank you.